Hello everyone, this is Qiana from KOMATCO Machinery Limited. Today we are at Luoyang YTO Factory, which produce a series of product construction machinery. And now today we focus on the tractor. And the tractor is named after the horsepower. The horsepower range from mini 50 horsepower, 100 horsepower. Today we mainly talk about the 105 horsepower. This 105 horsepower tractor model is NLX1054, and the 4 is standard for the 4-wheel drive. And you can see this tractor behind me. Look here, you can add counterweight to effectively prevent the front of the tractor from tilting up. Let's look at the tires. Our tire is an ordinary tread tire. It is suited for dry land and long distance transportation. Now I'm in the tractor's cab. The cab has the air conditioning and a radio, which give us a comfortable walking condition, and our seat is adjusted. Our tractors adapt Dongfanghong engine, and the whole weight of the tractor is 5,200 kilograms. Here we can choose different implements, such as seeders, single disc plows, to suitable for the different working conditions. In the end, we have different horsepower tractors. If you are interested in this tractor, please feel free to contact me, and I will give you the best